Only the LTO and deputized officers, not the LGU, can confiscate your driver's license. By Leandra Grecia. There's currently a supposed memorandum from the Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG, making rounds on cyberspace about how only the Land Transportation Office, LTO, and its deputized agents are allowed to confiscate licenses. Well, the LTO has finally spoken up on the matter. In a new Facebook post, the LTO lauded the DILG's move to emphasize the policy to various local government units and their corresponding police forces. So again, in case you still need to ask, LGUs and their traffic enforcers can only apprehend motorists for violations but not confiscate their licenses. The LTO said that the DILG's memorandum merely reiterates that the LTO is the primary law enforcement agency that ensures motorists abide by traffic rules and regulations so that the general public is kept safe. This actually isn't a new policy, but a lot of motorists probably aren't familiar with it, so this should settle the debates and answer your questions. If you want to read the LTO's official advisory, you can check it out below. By Moto Penis. Driving or riding along Metro Manila and the Philippines as a whole can often be stressful due to the fact that local government units, LGUs, have their own different ordinances when it comes to traffic management. While one ordinance can be legal in a town, it can be considered a traffic violation in the next city or town. If apprehended by a local traffic enforcer, say in Manila, and you happen to be from Lipa City in Batangas, the settlement of that traffic violation can be a nightmare since you need to allot the whole day to travel back to Manila, not to mention the amount of time you would spend in the queue waiting for your name to be called to get your driver's license back. Worse, some enterprising local traffic enforcers use the above situation to scare drivers and force them to settle the traffic violation on the street level to avoid the hassle. Well, according to the Department of Interior and Local Government, DILG, these local traffic enforcers, unless duly deputized by the Land Transportation Office, LTO, cannot and should never confiscate a driver's license of a traffic violator. In a memorandum issued by DILG dated September 14, 2022, Interior Secretary Ben-Hur Abalos has reiterated that although LGUs can issue their own citation tickets on traffic violators, they cannot confiscate a driver's license unless they are a deputized traffic enforcer of the LTO.